Papayar kami po dito na po. Ma'am, dito po.
Ay, so,
Ano bunga? Ba't naiyak ang journal? Huwag ka dyan. Bangga ka dyan.
Sir, papicture na kami.
Namayat siya. Namayat. Pero ang ganda niya pare. Ang ganda. Ay.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this momentous occasion as we gather to celebrate the inauguration of this remarkable facility. Today marks a new chapter of progress and partnership, and we are honored to have you all with us. Before we proceed to the ribbon cutting ceremony, we'll proceed first to the photo opportunity together with our Vice President, Sara Z. Duterte. At this point, we will begin. Once again, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Sara Z. Duterte. May I request everyone to occupy the designated seats here in our venue and please remain standing. And partnership, and we are honored to have you all with us. Before we proceed to the ribbon cutting ceremony, we'll proceed first to the photo opportunity together with our Vice President, Sara Z. Duterte.
To the barangay officials, our teaching and non-teaching staff of the Department of Education, to our parents, students, and guests from Metro Manila.
Mga kababayan, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, umayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Good day to everyone. First off, I'd like to thank the Embassy of the People's Republic of China and the Filipino-Chinese Youth Foundation Committee Incorporated for recognizing the need of Philippine schools for safe spaces like this for physical activities of our learners outside of the classroom, and for making it a dual
Excellency, the Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Philippines, Jing Chuen, the President of the Filipino-Chinese Youth Foundation Committee Incorporated, Mr. Steve Chua, to our Mayor, Honorable Jennifer M. Cruz, to our Vice Mayor, Leandro Panganiban Jr., and to the other officers of the local government, to the barangay officials, our teaching and non-teaching staff of the Department of Education, to our parents, students, and guests from Metro Manila.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The second batch of our parents. Then please stand by SSLG officers. After the SSLG officers, we have the first batch of the faculty staff together with our parent supervisor, Sir Elmer Concepcion. Thank you so much. Next we have the SSLG officers. Then the first batch of the faculty staff. Thank you so much. Next we have the Sangguniang Barangay of Tagumpay. Please get ready.